Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Funding Pips account and what you can do if you no longer want to use an account or breached account. So first of all, you need to log in into your Funding Pips accounts dashboard. Now over here in the account section, you are going to see all of the accounts that are currently active and the accounts that are basically breached. So the accounts that are breached, you can just simply archive them. You can't basically delete them, and you can just simply keep all those accounts that are basically active. So once you have done that, you can just simply look for the option of deleting your account inside the accounts section. So you can hover over to the left hand section, click on the option of settings, and then you can look for the option of delete account. If you are not able to find the option over here, you can just click on this particular message icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then in the message section, you need to tell that I want to delete my account, and they are going to basically help you with deleting your account if the delete account option is not possible from the Funding Pips account. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.